Hello guys, my name is Peter Mbonimana. I'm a civil engineer with A1 degree. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you or to show you how to use an ArchiCAD software which is used to produce different working drawings used in construction. So, throughout this tutorial, we are going to focus on the following topics. Those are the topics that we are going to discuss about on this day. We will talk about what is an ArchiCAD software, different functions of this software, how to get ArchiCAD software set up, how to launch it, parts of an ArchiCAD window or ArchiCAD screen. So let's go. First of all, let us talk about what is an ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD is a 3D modeling and computer-aided design application which allows the user to draw, model, and display building design simply and quickly. So, in simple words, ArchiCAD is a software which is used to produce 3D model, house, and its design like floor plans, elevations, sections, and so on. Let us talk about its function. The main functions of this ArchiCAD is produce working drawings include floor plans, elevations, sections, foundation plan, site plan, drainage system plan, perspectives, detailed reinforcement drawings, location plan, floor plan, and so on. Also, I would like to tell you why this ArchiCAD is preferable than other software used in building design. This software makes different things simultaneously. For example, you see here there is a floor plan. While we are drawing this floor plan, automatically 3D is being drawn. Let us see 3D. Okay, you see these are a simple house that I have drawn. This is a 3D model of that floor plan. The way this 3D is drawn, it is made through settings, not to be drawn by using lines and painting. This is automatically drawn. That's why it is preferable than other software like AutoCAD, where you will draw everything and paint everything. So let us know how you can get the software set up, the software of this ArchiCAD. You will go and open your web browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. You will write ArchiCAD setup. I have written ArchiCAD 18, version 18 setup. You will get different links which allows you to download this setup. You can choose the one, or you can choose ArchiCAD 18 install and startup troubleshooting guide. This is a troubleshoot. Come here and download ArchiCAD 18 today on Graphisoft community. So this is the way you can get the setup of this software. Let us see how you can launch this setup. So you will open the icon of ArchiCAD in your desktop, or go in the program folder and open ArchiCAD setup. After installation, double click on this setup and wait while it is loading. while it is being opened, you will get this small window where you will choose create a new project and choose new while using the setup project setting. Use a template. So then click new. So your ArchiCAD now is open. So this is the screen of ArchiCAD software or ArchiCAD window. By now, let us see different parts of this window. So those are different parts of ArchiCAD screen or ArchiCAD window. We are this upper part where we find a file, edit, view, design, document, option, teamwork, window, and help. This is the menu part. The following part is the toolbars. The toolbar where we find the different editing commands. Here below we have info box. Info box is where we see different settings of an item that we are going to use while drawing. Here on the left part we have the toolbox. This toolbox contains different parts that we use while drawing. Where you need to draw wall, you will choose the wall in this part. When you need to draw the door, you will choose the door icon this part. So here below we have scale and magnification. This is where we set the scale to be used while we are drawing, and the zoom, and also we have a zoom and the pan controls. Those are the different icons that we'll use while zooming the drawing that we are dealing with. Here at the right hand we have a navigator. This navigator contains different parts that we'll use while drawing, where we'll set the different stories on which we will work with, where we'll find the sections, elevations that are being drawn. This is where also we'll use while printing out our working drawing or our document. Also this middle part is a workspace. A workspace or plan view where we'll draw our different drawings. Okay, those are what I were talking about. Here we have a menu. In menu we have a file. In the file we have a new, where you need to open a new document or where you need to draw the new project. We have a open. If you need to open an existing project in your computer, you will come in this, you will use this file and open the existing project. Is where we will use while saving our project and so on. Also you can use while printing out your document. We have an editing command. Have a different editing command: grouping, display order, locking, move, align, distribute, reshape, and so on. Those are different editing commands. In view we have where you can navigate the stories, sections, elevation, elevations, worksheets. Also we'll see them in detail in the next videos if you follow me. We have in design. This is where we set different stories on which we'll work with. In document we have document tools. Those tools also will be found in toolbox, as you see on this left part. We have in options where we set different settings and working units, dimension units, and so on. In teamwork we have also different items we'll talk about them in detail. Having a window where we'll use to find different toolbar palettes, floor plan, and so on. In help, you will find there the different documents that you can use if you need to know more about this ArchiCAD. So here below we have toolbars. Toolbars, as you see, to include the one that we have found in the file, have different things. As you see, we'll use it the way we continue to deal with this software. In toolbox we have different parts. It contains 4 main parts. We have arrow tool, design, document, and more. In arrow tool, this arrow tool is the one which helps you in selecting different things. We have a design. In design, there are different icons that you will use while designing your working drawing. We have a wall, door, window, column, beam, slab, stair, roof, and so on. So in document, you will have where you will have dimension tool, level dimension tool, text tool, label tool, fill tool, and so on. So in the menu, in more, we'll have grid element tool, wall end tool, corner window tool, ramp tool, radial dimension tool, angle dimension tool, and so on. So here, as you have seen, you can't repeat it. It is very clear. So in this setting, where this is where you will find different settings. The item selected here in toolbox, its settings will be found here in info box setting dialog, where you will find different settings of an item selected from this toolbox. So let's go in Navigator. Navigator is where we set different stories. If you are drawing the ground floor, if you want to draw first story, second story, and so on up to where you need, is where also we'll find sections, elevations, interior elevations, worksheets, detail, and so on. This is also where we will use while printing out our document made. So this is the workspace. Let me remind you that while you are drawing, there are some items that are being drawn automatically. You will have to draw between those 4 lines. Those are the automatic elevation lines. This is west elevation, this is north elevation, this is the east elevation, this is the south elevation. And that's why you will have to draw between those lines in order to have those elevations drawn automatically. So let us stop by here in this video. I ask you to continue to follow me the next tutorials so that we can work together and know more about this software. I also remind you to subscribe and open the notification icon so that you can get the new video of the tutorial, so that you may continue studying or learning about this software. Also make like, and your comment is needed below to know how we are working together. Here there are my contact, so that you may contact me through email. I have a WhatsApp number, so that you may contact me on everything that you need, so that you can share ideas and ask me whatever you need. Thank you for today. See you next